Not bad. Not bad. Is that like insulation or something?
Yeah. Yeah, busted prop. That's right, I got more. Hit the wheel too. This was my first big one. And then I built that. This is 5-footer. I built that 8-footer. I'm just gonna scrap the whole thing, start fresh, and use this foam. This stuff is a lot more rigid. And it's a little heavier though. But I think that other motor, the motor that's on that one, I think it's powerful enough to lift a little bit more weight. So that thing is super powered. I took it out yesterday, and I throttled up, and the motor just ripped right off the front of it. It was so much power, and that foam is so weak that it just gave up. So I reinforced it, put some dowels in it, and glued it, and then of course it went nose in, and I'm just like, okay, all right, this foam is not the material.
But this is, huh?
This is good shit, man. It's really rigid. And then I got there's a dollar store broomstick in there for a spar.
Okay, all right.
So that was $1, and I think sheet of foam is like 30.
Yeah.
So I got $31 into, well, and then a tube of glue, of course, but
yeah,
some duct tape. But yeah.
Dang, that's crazy.
Yeah, this one, it flew so nice. I was like, I'm thinking bigger's better.
Yeah, yeah.
Because I have this same design in several different sizes, all the way from ultra micro up to 8 feet.
It's like a 540. Is that what it's kind of designed after?
Basically, yeah.
The wing kind of looks like a 540.
Yeah, pretty much. Basically any standard 3D foamy, you know.
Yeah. What did you use for glue?
I used Gorilla Glue.
Okay.
And this one I've used the stuff that's in the little tube, foams up and stuff.
Yeah.
But for the other one, I bought it's like a caulk tube, goes in a caulk gun, and it doesn't foam up, but it dries real hard. And I think I'll use that on the next one. I'll hit Home Depot up after this before work.
Cool, man.
I don't remember how I got that sheet of foam home, because I don't know if it's too. Maybe it'll probably slide in there.
Yeah.
I think that's how I got the other one back. But this sheet of foam that I bought, I tried tying it to the top, and the front.
Oh no!
Ripped. There was still enough left to make the plane. But
crazy.
Yeah, it was all over the freeway.
What is that's a 6-cell?
Yeah, 6-cell 5000.
Okay.
Yeah. And I had the motor that's on the 8-footer on this one, and it, oh my God, it was super powered, just unlimited vertical. And I bought this smaller motor, and it's enough to hang on the prop.
Yeah.
It's plenty. It flies like it should now with the smaller motor.
Cool.
The bigger motor was just excessive.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool, man. I like home built projects like this. I've got a couple homemade planes. I built a pusher jet too. It's kind of fun.
Nice.
Take them out here and mess around with them. And,
Yeah, lots of fun.
Yeah. Cool deal, man.
Yeah, and I have limited money to play with, so I kind of got to do what I got to do.
Yeah.
I mean, shit. If you bought a plane like this, you know, it's like $1,000.
Yeah.
I mean,
yeah. I have so my pusher jets I build. They're modeled after a Striker, right?
Okay.
And
that's what I learned on.
Really?
Was the Striker.
Yeah, I love that plane.
Yeah,
and so
great plane.
I bought some cheap Metal Gear servos, and I had an extra speed control, and I used a motor out of an old plane.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I mean, I got like maybe 60, 70 bucks tied up into it,
Yeah.
and it goes over 100 miles an hour.
Nice.
You know,
Nice, yeah.
and it's just crazy fast and crazy performance. I was like, man, this is unreal. So
What material do you use for the elevons?
so I came up with this board. I call it Lamtech board. Not bad. Not bad.